Hey guys, so today I'm always like digging in the fridge, seeing what I have left and trying to kind of throw something together for the kids. Usually it'll involve my wok and a stir fry. I know I have some chicken breasts in there that I bought the other day, but we're gonna go in and check out what I have in my fridge. Some veggies, maybe some broccoli hopefully, and we'll make a quick stir fry for my little boy and girl for them to eat for lunch. So let's see what we can find. All right, let's see. So, we have some chicken breast. Oh, I know that we had that. All right, we're gonna put that up there. What else we got? Veggies. No potatoes. Green onions. Yes. We can use that. Do we have any broccoli? We don't have any broccoli? No. No, too spicy for the kids. Cauliflower, broccoli. Woohoo! That's all we need for this. Oh, orange juice. Yes, we can use orange juice. What else? Oh, I left the dog outside. Floki, come on in. Sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. Woo! All right, what else we got here? Ooh, dark soy sauce. I will take it. Ooh, black sweet soy sauce. The kids will love that. Oh boy. Yeah, let's start there. All right, cool. All right, I'm gonna start with these chicken breasts. You need a bowl for the chicken breast. All right, got me a separate little bowl. Make the marinade. Start off with a little bit of soy sauce. Got a little bit of hoisin sauce. And I'm gonna add a little bit of orange juice. Woo! Lexters, I'm making this for you, buddy. Yeah, I'm making it for you. All right, a little bit of orange juice, soy sauce, and I'm gonna squirt a little bit of this Maggi seasoning.
Oh, well now she's gotta eat before she goes.
Always chaos in my house. Gonna pour this in here. Ooh. We're gonna mix this around. All right. We're gonna let this sit here and marinate for about 10 minutes or so. For the sauce that we're gonna probably pour into this near the end, I'm gonna do a little bit of dark soy sauce, black soy sauce. I like this because it's nice and thick. So we're gonna add a little bit of this. And maybe a tad bit of orange juice, just a little bit. And what I'm also going to do is add a tiny bit of cornstarch. About a tiny little teaspoon. That's probably a little bit too much also, but whisk that in there a little bit. That's going to help give us a nice thicker sauce towards the end for the stir fry. All right, now for a little bit of spices. Usually I like to ground some fresh garlic cloves with my little grater and just kind of grate it in there, but since I don't have any on hand right now, it's for my kids, so we're gonna use some garlic powder. And I'm gonna use Chinese 5-spice. Very nice. This gives it a nice flavor. I'm gonna put some of this stuff in there. So this is gonna be like a Chinese 5-spice soy type of thing. White pepper.
Yeah. You may put that on the list. You want more yogurt drinks? Yeah.
And that's really all I'm gonna do. Toss this around.
All right, I'll help you.
Next thing I'm gonna do is a little trick that I do that I picked up from some other video that I watched, is I'm gonna sprinkle some baking soda in here, which actually helps kind of with stir frying, gives it a nice little coat on the outside, a nice little crispy coat to it. And I'm also gonna sprinkle in a little bit of rice flour in there to help kind of give this chicken a little bit of texture when I throw it in the wok. All right, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of baking soda in this. I'm gonna use a little bit of rice flour. You can use regular flour. You don't have to use any flour at all, but I like to use a little bit of this stuff. So first, I'm going to sprinkle some baking soda in here. Mix that up a little bit. Rice flour, just to kind of, there we go. I don't know, about a tablespoon, 2, I don't know. I eyeball it. I'm gonna add just a little bit more. Some people might look at me like, what in the heck is he doing? But you know what? I've tried it, I've done it. It works for me, I like it, so whatever. All right, I have some steamed rice going. You basically just bring some rice up to a boil. Once it boils, cover it, put it on low, and do not touch it. 25 minutes and counting. Got my wok. Okay, all right. I know. I have a glass top. We have a gas stove that we're gonna be buying soon. Don't make fun. I do with what I have, okay? It still comes out. It will come up much better with a gas one, I know. And I'm going to buy one, but save it, okay? Are you ready for stir fry? Stir fry, stir fry, stir fry, stir fry. All right, for this, the oil is going to be avocado oil. I like avocado oil. I just started using it lately, and it has what I like about it is it has the highest smoke point at like 540 degrees or 520 degrees. So I'm gonna try it in my wok cooking because it holds high heat. And I'm gonna give it a little bit of sesame oil because I just like the taste of it. So I want a little taste of the sesame oil in my stir fry. Getting hot. Let's do it. Avocado. There you have it. Soy, orange, stir-fried chicken and broccoli. Let's give this a taste. Oh, the chicken is so tender. I'm telling you, baking soda. The baking soda helps. It just makes it, helps make it more tender. They use that trick when they do my Mongolian beef. Awesome. Gonna get a little bit of rice, green onion in there. Forget PF Chang's. Forget all that. Here you have it right here.